Hello guys, today I am showing here one experiment, that is paper chromatography, and it is very easy process. Now I explain here. Here is filter paper and here is blue color and here is red color, and here we already made a mixture of red ink and blue ink, and this is dropper. Okay, uh, firstly we took a beaker, then we filled water. After that we made a roll of filter paper and we made another hole at the center of the another filter paper. Then we inserted the filter paper and we put small drop at 1 centimeter away from the hole of filter paper. After some time, red color and blue color has been separated. So guys, this is simple process. Okay, so now you are watching here EL Nepal YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. We show you such type of experiment time and again, so keep on watching our channel.